Welcome. Today, we're diving into the real differences between a senior Java developer and a mid-level developer. Many believe that advancing to a senior role is all about mastering more frameworks or writing flawless code. But after working alongside engineers with over a decade of experience, I realized the gap is much deeper. It's not just about technical prowess, it's about mindset, ownership, and seeing the bigger picture. In this video, we'll explore the 7 traits that truly separate senior Java developers from their mid-level counterparts. Let's get started and uncover what really makes a developer stand out. It's a common misconception that senior developers are simply those who know more frameworks or can solve coding problems faster. In reality, technical skills are just the foundation. What sets seniors apart is their ability to think strategically and make decisions that impact the entire project. They understand that writing code is only one part of their role. Their value comes from how they approach challenges, communicate with the team, and drive the project forward. This shift in perspective is the first step towards seniority. One of the most noticeable traits of a senior Java developer is their strong sense of ownership. They don't just complete tasks, they take responsibility for the outcome of the entire project. This means they anticipate potential issues, proactively address risks, and ensure that the final product meets both technical and business requirements. Mid-level developers often focus on their assigned tickets, but seniors see themselves as guardians of the project's success. This ownership mentality is crucial for delivering high-quality software. Senior developers are trusted to make important decisions that affect the direction of a project. They weigh the pros and cons of different approaches, consider long-term maintainability, and aren't afraid to make tough calls. This decision-making ability comes from experience and a deep understanding of both the technical and business sides of software development. Mid-level developers may hesitate or rely on others for guidance, but seniors step up and lead with confidence. While mid-level developers often focus on their immediate tasks, senior developers always keep the bigger picture in mind. They understand how their work fits into the overall architecture and business goals. This perspective allows them to make decisions that benefit the entire team and product, not just their own code. They think about scalability, performance, and future requirements, ensuring that today's solutions won't become tomorrow's problems. Key responsibility of senior developers is mentoring and supporting their teammates. They share their knowledge, provide constructive feedback, and help others grow. This not only strengthens the team, but also ensures that best practices are followed throughout the project. Mid-level developers may focus more on their own progress, but seniors lift others up and create a collaborative environment where everyone can succeed. Senior Java developers excel at communication. They can explain complex technical concepts in simple terms, ensuring that everyone, from junior developers to non-technical stakeholders, understands the project's direction. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings and keeps the team aligned. Seniors also listen actively, valuing input from others and fostering open discussions that lead to better solutions. When faced with challenges, senior developers don't just jump to the first solution. They analyze the root cause, consider multiple options, and choose the most effective path forward. Their approach is methodical and data-driven, reducing the risk of introducing new issues. This contrasts with mid-level developers, who may focus on quick fixes without fully understanding the underlying problem. Senior developers actively seek and embrace feedback. They view code reviews as opportunities to learn and improve, not as criticism. This openness helps them grow and adapt to new challenges. Mid-level developers might feel defensive about feedback, but seniors use it to refine their skills and deliver better results. Quality is a top priority for senior Java developers. They write tests, review code thoroughly, and ensure that their work meets high standards. They understand that shortcuts today can lead to bigger problems tomorrow. Mid-level developers may focus on completing tasks quickly, but seniors balance speed with quality to deliver reliable software. Senior developers don't just think about code, they understand the business context behind their work. They align technical decisions with business goals, ensuring that their solutions add real value. This business awareness helps them prioritize features, manage resources, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Senior developers are comfortable with ambiguity and can adapt when requirements change or unexpected issues arise. They stay calm under pressure, quickly reassess the situation, and guide the team through uncertainty. This resilience is a hallmark of seniority. Technology is always evolving, and senior developers never stop learning. They stay up to date with the latest trends, tools, and best practices. This commitment to growth keeps their skills sharp and ensures they can tackle new challenges as they arise. Senior developers know when to move fast and when to slow down for quality. They balance the need for quick delivery with the importance of maintainable, robust code. This judgment comes from experience and helps avoid technical debt. Senior developers set the tone for the team by modeling best practices and a positive attitude. Their professionalism inspires others to follow suit, creating a culture of excellence. They lead not just with words but with actions. Seniors often contribute to the system's architecture, making decisions that affect scalability, security, and maintainability. They see beyond individual features and think about how everything fits together. This architectural vision is a key differentiator. Senior developers are skilled at identifying and managing risks. They foresee potential problems and put measures in place to prevent them. This proactive approach protects the project and keeps it on track. Senior developers work closely with other teams, such as QA, DevOps, and product management. They break down silos and ensure smooth collaboration across the organization. This teamwork leads to better outcomes for everyone. Dealing with legacy systems is a reality for most developers. Seniors approach legacy code with patience and a plan, making improvements without introducing new bugs. Their experience helps them modernize systems safely. Senior developers are masters of time management. They prioritize tasks effectively, delegate when necessary, and ensure deadlines are met without sacrificing quality. Their organizational skills keep projects moving smoothly. Seniors champion best practices in coding, testing, and deployment. They set standards for the team and ensure everyone follows them. This commitment to quality raises the bar for the entire organization. Disagreements are inevitable in any team. Senior developers handle conflicts professionally, finding solutions that work for everyone. Their diplomacy keeps the team focused and productive. Senior developers encourage innovation by exploring new technologies and approaches. They inspire the team to experiment and find better ways to solve problems. This drive for improvement keeps the organization competitive. Emotional intelligence is a subtle but powerful trait of senior developers. They understand their own emotions and those of others, building strong relationships and a positive team culture. This empathy leads to better collaboration and job satisfaction. Deadlines and high-stakes projects can be stressful. Senior developers remain calm and focused under pressure, guiding the team through tough times. Their resilience helps everyone stay on track. Senior developers keep the end user in mind. They design solutions that are not only technically sound, but also user-friendly and aligned with customer needs. This customer focus ensures that the software delivers real value. Clear documentation is essential for maintainable code. Senior developers write thorough, understandable documentation that helps others work efficiently. This attention to detail prevents confusion and speeds up onboarding. Change is constant in software development. Senior developers adapt quickly to new tools, processes, and requirements. Their flexibility keeps projects moving forward, no matter what challenges arise. Sum up, the gap between a senior and a mid-level Java developer isn't just about technical skills. It's about ownership, decision-making, communication, and a commitment to quality and growth. Senior developers see the bigger picture, mentor others, and drive projects to success. These traits are what truly set them apart and make them invaluable to any team. Thanks for joining this deep dive into what separates senior Java developers from mid-level ones. Remember, becoming a senior isn't just about years of experience or technical mastery. It's about how you approach your work, support your team, and contribute to the bigger picture. Keep growing, stay curious, and strive for excellence in every project you tackle.